Hi, this is Jen Eble with Natural Wellness with Jen Eble. Wanting to tell you about a special offer now through April 30th. You get free shipping with your purchase of a Get Clean starter kit, and Shaklee will plant a tree in your honor. We believe that health isn't just about what's put in your body, it's about everything around you. Get Clean brings you a full line of natural and non-toxic cleaning choices that are safe for you, your home, and your planet. Get Clean contains no harmful fumes or hazardous chemicals, and it's economical. You would spend $3,400 for ready-to-use cleaners to get the same amount of clean found in the Get Clean starter kit. That's amazing to me. I'm sorry, guys. It's amazing. When you purchase the Get Clean starter kit, you also make a positive impact on the planet. But you keep 108 pounds of packaging waste from landfills and eliminate 248 pounds of greenhouse gas. So please take advantage of this offer. These products work wonderfully. If you have eczema or prone to it, you will find it will clear up. So what's better for you? It's better for the environment. And I look forward to hearing from you. Take care and happy Earth Day.